In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove logos or watermarks from your videos in CapCut. The first thing you want to do is to select your video clip over here and drag it onto your timeline. And as you can see, this video over here has a watermark or a logo at this portion over here. To take it out, the first thing you need to do is to select your clip over here and hold down Alt and drag it one track above to duplicate it. Next, select this top clip over here and come over to the crop tool over here and select it. And what you want to do is to crop out portions you do not need, but select a portion that is very close to the watermark you want to remove and come over here and select confirm. The next thing you need to do is to come over to scale over here and reduce the scale of this cropped out portion and move this portion close to the watermark over here. You can also select one portion over here and drag it further to scale it down. The next thing you need to do is to place it above the watermark you want to cover. And if I deselect it now, you will see that we have successfully hidden that watermark. And if I hit play now, you can see that that watermark has been removed.